media face of Ojude Oba Festival 2024. Now we are here in 2025. What do you expect?
I hope to be the face of 2025. I ain't playing. If you are going to come for me, you come correct. If you don't come correct, don't come at all. I ain't playing.
What has happened in the last 1 year? What has changed for you?
Look at me. I come to my hometown. There's love. But this is not about me. It's about the festival. It's about Ijebu, about the culture. We have more people here than we've ever had before. This is the biggest ever. And hopefully next year will be a bigger one. My prayer is that by next year, Ojude Oba will be one of the biggest, if not the biggest, cultural festival in Africa.
What's your word to first-timers who are here because of what they saw off you last year?
Keep coming because we're going to keep improving. There you go.
Thank you very much.
God bless.